Today we got a low tire pressure warning in our Rivian. You can check your tire pressure in your driver's display by holding down and changing the display. You can see right here my passenger side rear tire is at 38 psi. The other way you can check it is here in the center screen. You can click on vehicle information, and down here you can see it displays the psi of your tires as well. From there, I'm going to use the integrated air compressor in the car. And here you can set your desired PSI by clicking that button. Next, I will connect the hose, click the pause play button, and it will automatically fill the tire to the set pressure.